Welcome back to fixing on the Cruze here. Last night, after I was done putting the valve cover on, I didn't have a torque wrench to take care of that, so I found it on Amazon and I bought one. I'm going to try to hurry because it is raining out right now. Second storm of the weekend blowing through. It's a Lexivon 1/4 inch drive, quick torque wrench, 20 to 200 inch-pounds. Did a little looking online this morning. The book says 71 inch-pounds. A lot of people online are saying 79. I mean, we're quoting the factory or the dealership says 79. I can't verify that, so I'm going to go 75. But before I do that, just to make sure I get a good torque reading, I'll back them all off. Just a smidge, just a quick. That. My favorite plastic car parts. Okay. So actually, I'm in the 1/4 drive. 8 mil. There's the 8. We're a 1/4 drive extensions here. Let's get a short one. Brand new torque wrench. Calibrated by Quang Ching. I kid you not. There it is right there. July 2, 2020. So. Read it off. Let's see, what do we got? What's Newton meters? It's 35, 50, 60, 65, 70. A little confusing. 65, so 75 right there. Up and down. Okay, I don't remember the torque sequence. We'll have a look. forks are, but the early ones are taking up more torque, and when you get to the later ones, they kind of take off. So, alrighty, let's always back your torque wrench off from negative to the minimum setting. And restore them with the torque set. Back in its little holder doohickey thingamabobber here. Lots of paperwork. And a nice little torque wrench. Get the lid to close. Good addition to the been sitting overnight. Oh well. It's there, broke the tab, but so 3, 4. Take the reads. Check. Cleaned this yesterday. It's nice and dry, so. I'm going to take it for a spin around the block, give it a little time to warm up, and then we'll check her when we get back. Probably not going to take you guys with. It's raining. But we'll do a follow-up when we get back. So, keep wanting to hit the button. I got the remote now. I got it fixed. So, we'll see you here in a sec. Oh, well, I think that was a successful repair. Drove it around the lake. Been, what, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. Not too bad. Little bit of a touch of burning oil smell, but it's just going to be residual. We did flush it yesterday with the brake clean, but you know, anybody that works on cars, you know, there's always little nooks and crannies and little creases and holes and little spots for oil and fluids and grease and dirt, and you don't want to congregate and collect. So, 'tis what it is. Had a little bit of, you know, it was kind of smelly when I first started driving. As the air was moving. I didn't realize, but reading, kind of going through the repair manual, this does have a cabin air filter. And there's no reference to one in the owner's manual, but they don't call it a cabin air filter either. That's part of the problem. What do they call it? I thought I just saw it here. Anyway, I'm not going to go too crazy. It has a stupid, complicated name that, say, I'm not going to get into it too far, and I'm going to look for it. But anyway, where was it? Interior ventilation filter. So, it's behind the glove box. I need to check that. It's supposed to be changed every 15,000 or cleaned every 15,000. I don't remember. But anyway, getting sidetracked here. I had a little bit of, once the air started moving, once I drove the car, got a little bit of whiff of burning oil, but that went away after a little bit. Stopped off at the park right down by the lake there and checked everything. It's not smoking and it's not weeping anything, so parked it, checked it again, no weepage, so we'll just burn off all that residual and go from there. So, good repair. $20 repair turned into an $80 repair, but oh well. That's for the gasket. I'm just going to hang on to that other gasket because it sounds like this is a common problem with these things. So we'll just toss that on a shelf somewhere and leave it in the trunk or whatever. But, I got another gasket for, you know, 6 years down the road, and I need to repair one. Of course, then I won't be able to find this one. So, and got a new tool out of it too. So kind of a nice little torque wrench. Of course, I don't know if I've had a mess with a couple of cheap ones, but it seemed to work good. Nice smooth action. Rather pleased with it. Proud to have added this one to the collection. Put it in here with the other 3 big wrenches that I got. So that's going to do it for this. This was your follow-up for the Cruze. Bummer that we had to fix it after only 53,000 miles, but seems to be a common issue with these cars. We'll just have to keep an eye on it. Like I said, that gasket was it's sitting in the garbage can. I'm not going to pull it out. But right where that little, I don't know if it's an oil passage or what right there. I think it must circulate up and into the valve cover so it drops down on top of the cam, I'm guessing. Looked like there was a diffuser of some sort in there, but just the heat gets to it or what? And then being right next to the manifold like that, just the heat soak just cooks it. But every single video I've watched online, it's all the same. Every single one of them, they leak in the same spot. So, oh well, keep an eye on it. I have to do this a couple more times before I finally scrap the car. Hopefully another, 15 years down the road. So, enough of me rambling. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.